Hello, welcome to So Different Food. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a shell quesadilla using your sandwich maker. I'm going to be using this wrap. Let me turn it around. It's a large flour tortilla wrap. What I'm going to do, I'm going to fold it in half so it can fit. So I gotta fold it so it doesn't burn. Put it on here. I'm gonna put my salami. I'm gonna use this, just salami slices on here. Here. Do 4 slices. You can put any of your ingredients first. Also, I'm going to be using this. Please go, I'll have it in the description or have it in the video how to make this. This is my cream of spinach soup. So this is it, creamy spinach soup. I'm going to use this as my sauce on there. There's a video up. You guys can go ahead and check it out how to make it. Yeah. Once you get done laying down any meat of your choice, place some of that creamy spinach soup on there. I will have the link in the description. So go ahead and check this video out if you're interested in making this. If you want to use it as your base sauce. Once done, go ahead and add your pepperoni, another slice of meat of your choice. And then add your cheese. Then fold it. And make sure it's placed in the middle of the toaster. And then close the toaster. Make sure it's locked. And I'm going to fold it and turn it. Okay, and I'm going to press down on my toaster, my sandwich toaster. And it's closed. So it's all done. I went ahead and unplugged it, but if you plan on making multiples of this, more than one, make sure you make it on a, do not make it on this because it's too hot. It'll start cooking it and you don't want it to cook right away, so make it on a plate first. But I'm going to use a knife. So this is what it looked like. This is it. I call this a shell quesadilla. This is called a shell quesadilla. You use your sandwich toaster to make this. I already unplugged it. I unplugged mine right away because one is all I need. It's really good. But if I'm making for my family, right now I'm just making for myself. It's just me. But if I'm making for my family, what I will do, before I turn it on, I'll just make the one on there. I use this as a flat surface, as the surface to make it. But when I'm making more than one, I usually make it on my counter or on a plate or somewhere else. So I'm just gonna cut it in the section. It's already sectioned, so it's easy cut. It's perfect for giving to kids, and it's perfect if you like smaller size. It's easier to eat. I'm gonna show you guys what it look like. I'm gonna try some. My creamy spinach soup, so I'm gonna have that for my dinner, and I already ate most of my shell quesadilla, so I just got this left of it. I'm gonna eat it. But yeah, I'll try to get, I've got to get some picture, but I'm gonna get some picture tonight because I plan on making one for my husband. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, show your support. Thank you.